Good evening, students. Today we will learn working with functions in Python. A large program is broken down into a smaller unit known as function. If you have a large program and large program, if you want to break it into smaller units, then each smaller unit in that program is known as a function. A function is basically a named unit of a group of program statements that can be invoked, called from other parts of the program. It is a group of statements. A function is basically a group of statements, and that group of statements is known as a function, and that function can be called or invoked from other parts of the program. There are certain advantages of functions. If you are writing a function, there are certain advantages. First advantage is it reduces the size of your program. Means if you are writing a function, if you are using a function in your program, if you are breaking your large program into functions, then it reduces the size of your program. Second one is error correction and detection becomes easier. If you are using function in your program, then error correction and detection, if there are any, then it will become easier if you are using function. Third one is it makes program more readable and understandable. If you are writing a program, then your program will be more readable and understandable. This is the definition of program, and this is the advantage of this is the definition and advantage of the functions. There are two types of functions. Basically, there are two types of functions. One is built-in function, and second is user-defined function. Function built-in, and second is user-defined functions. Built-in functions and user-defined functions. Built-in function means there are certain functions are there in the Python, and that functions are defined earlier in that Python. We have to use it only. Suppose there are some example you have used in your program: input function, print function, int, type. These are the functions we have used in the program. These are the functions which are provided by the Python interpreter, and these functions are known as built-in functions. Next one is the user-defined function. The functions which you define, means the programmer defines, that function is known as user-defined functions. In the next video, we will see about how to write a user-defined functions, how to use that user-defined function, how to invoke or call that user-defined function. We will see in the next video. Thank you.